Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Transforming your walls into unique decoration can make a big impact, and beautiful baskets, wall art ideas bring a fresh perspective to home styling. This video dives into the heart of using baskets as wall decor, showcasing an array of styles, colors, and sizes that add depth and character to any room. Basket wall art blends traditional craftsmanship with modern design, making it perfect for those who want to bring a neutral texture element into their space. From woven basket in neutral tones to vibrant pattern designs, you will see how different basket arrangements can create a stunning focal point. This video covers placement techniques such as creating symmetrical patterns or going for a more electric scattered arrangement. Whether your style is bohemian, rustic, or minimalist, these basketball art ideas can be customized to enhance your decoration. Discover how these unique pieces can be combined with other elements like plants, mirrors, or framed art for layered, sophisticated look. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.